Source, radar. Locally hazardous disease. Small craft could be damaged in the higher winds and deadly higher waves. Locations impacted include Fulton Bay and Gallows Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Thank you. What's wrong with this thing?
Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for near shore and open waters from Vermilion, Ohio to Avon Point, Ohio until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 9 nautical miles north of western Vermilion, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted in Lorraine Harbor and Avon Point. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Oh, damn it. Alright, fine. Thank you for that, Mox.
Somehow.
Well, it's good to be back.
90% of the time, I'm a dumbass.
But now you're seeing more and more of my radios on with the warning lights.
I am so salty. The only thing I got was a severe thunderstorm warning, but it was actually a pretty good one. If it's like
Hour. Sunday night.
Okay, here it comes. Oh! I caught it across 3 stations! Activate, you piece of crap!
Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The forecast for the central Lakeshore counties. Forecast for north overnight.
Holy crap.
Overnight. A chance cloudy. A chance of shower.
That's the first time I caught an alert across 3 stations.
It's the new Gordon Ramsay pictures.
That is beautiful.
My camera will focus on it. There we go.
Don't you have 3 marine warnings as of Ohio right now? 3? Or is it 2?
I think 2.
You couldn't capture the first one.
I did capture the first one. It's just
The second one, though?
the second one I got on 3 stations.
Okay, that's good fan art. I'm save with that.
Here we go, guys. SV freaking A. Alright. Who's gonna get it? I'll try this one.
Week Ohio until 12:45 a.m. Eastern
Please
Daylight
work this time, Radio Shack. I'm counting on you.
10:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 11 nautical miles northwest of western Vermilion, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Cleveland.
What'd you say?
It's not near Ashland.
Oh. Who's gonna get it, though?
This weather passes.
It's like,
The extended forecast.
Aria, Medine, Acre.
Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the low.
Sandusky, huh? It's gonna be my 300.
Well, it's not completely near Sandusky, but it's close to it.
HB 97 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available information. Lows in the mid-60s.
Who's gonna take it?
Friday, mostly sunny in the morning.
Who
then
wants it?
becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 80s. The current time is
Come on, who wants it?
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is No Weather Radio WNG 698. Front slowly south across the area on Saturday. High pressure will extend over the Great Lakes region on Sunday.
I swear to God, if it's not... You said it's near Sandusky, right?
Surprise, motherfucker.
Oh, here we go.
Urgent weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Cuyahoga, Ashland, Crawford, Luray, and Montana. And the following marine locations: Ottawa, including Lake Erie, beyond 5 miles from
Why?
shore. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 309, effective until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: effective until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday, and the following marine locations: Vermilion to Willow, including Lake Erie, beyond 5 miles from shore. Remember, a severe weather watch, including large hail and damage, favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damage winds, and Lake Erie from the watch area to Willow, beyond 5 miles from shore.
Severe, oh yeah, there you go. No, they just,
Confirmation.
Weather radio, commercial radio, television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Rapidly changing severe thunderstorm watch number 309 has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Cuyahoga, Erie, Huron, Luray, and Montana, and the following marine locations: Vermilion to Willow, including Lake Erie, beyond 5 miles from shore. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Crawford, Erie, Hancock, Huron, Luray, Ottawa.
Said drop my phone.
White Dot, and the following marine locations: Willow Beach to Vermilion, and Lake Erie from Avon Point to Willow, beyond 5 miles from shore.
Woo! That was a party.
Not really.
Dude, I caught it on 3 stations. Again.
well, there's Wilmington. Did you catch Wilmington's?
I don't know if I can catch it at this time.
There was a Glazer, Delaware, Hardin, Logan,
Oh, God.
Mrs.
Dude, you need to learn your Ohio counties. Seriously.
Shelby, and Union.
I can't catch those.
Sadly, yeah, but at least you caught this one.
Mainly because I'm wanting to take it easy on my internet usage.
So you caught 3 SVAs. No. 3 Special Marine Corps instead of SVA. Wow. Yes.
In Ohio.
Yes.
Wait! Yes!
Weather Service includes
Finally it activated!
severe thunderstorm warning for Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Lorain County until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Avon Lake, or 9 miles northeast of Lorain, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar size hail.
What?
Source:
It's like 75 per hour winds.
Jesus.
Hail 1.25 inches. Oh, God.
Hail damage to roof, siding,
Yeah.
Oh, dude, no longer it's called
Expect
the
considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile
Oh my god.
and outbuildings.
Busy, you're such a drama queen.
Include Cleveland,
Huh.
Lakewood, Euclid, Cleveland Heights, Westlake, Soren, Avon Lake, Warrensville Heights, Highland Hills, North Olmsted, Garfield Heights, Shaker Heights, Maple Heights, South Euclid, Avon, Armo Heights, and Rocky River. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga and Lorraine. This is NOAA Weather Radio WNG 698 originating from the National Weather Service.
Or at least my Radio Shack finally activated.
I was nice. Dude, I heard the tornado sound, like the tornado sounds like,
Yeah, I thought there was going to be a tornado warning. Block. Get out of here.
Keep your radio dim now. Keep your radio active. Keep all your stations active now.
Alright, I'm into alert mode now.
Once I get tornado possible, I'm like, oh,
Whoa! Updates, okay.
it's just a marine warning. We're good.
God, my phone's on fire.
A marine warning just got issued.
I hear it. Wait, you can't even hear that. Hang on.
Extending from 15 nautical miles west of Wagner, 6 nautical miles west of North Cape, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail.
Can you hear it now?
Source, radar.
Yeah.
Impact, small craft will be damaged and mostly higher winds and severely higher waves. Locations impacted include Newport Beach, Fort Bay, Huron, Kelly's Island, and Sandusky Bay. Move your safe harbor until the hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring moving storms. If caught on the open water, stay away.
No.
If possible, keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Severe thunderstorm warning issued. Erie, Lucas, Ottawa, Sandusky.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ottawa County in northwestern Ohio, Erie County, Northern Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, Northern Lake County in northwestern Ohio, Lucas County in northwestern Ohio, until 1:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Alpine, moving at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Taylorville, Sandusky, Fort Clinton, Swanson, Kelly's Island, Fort Bay, Cuyahoga, Oregon, Pennsylvania.
Yeah, I know. I told you that yesterday.
Lakewood, White House, Oak Harbor,
Yeah, I ate 3 of these yesterday.
For your protection, interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued at 1:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday for the following cities in Ohio, Erie, Lucas, Ottawa, Sandusky, and Wood.
I hope Keep It got